How to get Roblox into the full screen on Windows PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to play Roblox in full screen on PC. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Roblox app on your Windows, and now here, make sure that you're logged in with your account. And now, once you are inside the Roblox app, simply launch any game that you'd like. And here, once you are inside the game, then you simply have to click on the Roblox icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now, here, once you click on it, a menu will appear. In that menu, at the top, you can see several tabs. So, from there, simply click on Settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings tab, simply scroll down and there you can see the full screen option. So here you can simply click on it to turn full screen on. And here, if you want a faster way, then you can just click F11 on your keyboard and this will immediately put Roblox into full screen mode. And that's it. That's how you can enjoy Roblox in full screen on Windows. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.